Here's a cell activator recipe that doesn't use Australian float roll, and we're going to use it in a swipe like this. Nice, huh? So we start with a pillow. If you saw my last video, I give you some options in the US, Europe, and Australia. I'm using Sherwin-Williams Color to Go straight out of the can. And then the pouring medium for my colors is just a retail pouring medium. I'm mixing the paints, 1 part of paint, 2 parts of pouring medium. Really, almost any pouring medium can be used here. The most important part is the consistency. You're looking for a 2-second, when you drizzle the paint off the stick, you want it to stay on the surface of the paint for about 2 seconds before it sinks. So adjust accordingly here, depending on what pouring medium you have. So I'm using that recipe for these colors, for the pink and yellow and purple. And then the cell activator, I'm using Amsterdam's titanium white, and I'm mixing that equal parts. So 1 part of paint and 1 part of water. And basically I just dip the swipe tool into the cup of paint, spin the table, and then very gently apply the swipe tool to the paint like that. And you should see cells start to pop up pretty much almost immediately. And then some of the parts with thicker white paint might require you to move the paint around a little. Like you see me doing here. And as you can see, that white part starts filling up. And I like to always pick up the spin table and tilt it around to make sure the paint is level before I start spinning the spin table. Now, when you spin, try to do clockwise then counterclockwise. Scientifically speaking, if you were perfectly centered, it wouldn't matter, but the likelihood of you being perfectly centered is very low. If you were also like me and you don't have a box containing your spin table, a good idea is to scoop up between the spins, and that should keep your workspace clean. I don't have any splatter when I do this. And there you go. I hope you enjoy this recipe, and I hope it works for you when you try to swipe or bloom. It's the same recipe that I use for blooming. Make sure to watch the video I posted right before this one for a detailed description on the materials that you can use. Cheers!